Okay, this is going to be a quick video demonstration of a Singer 1590. I've gone through the whole machine and done everything. I've taken the motor apart, redone that, rewired the light, has a new bobbin winder wheel on it. This has all been taken apart, the upper tension, basically everything taken apart on the machine, from the motor to the light, hook area, tension area. And this machine lived in a cabinet, so it's in pretty nice condition cosmetically. All the decals are still here. And this is 2 layers of denim off of an old pair of Levi's. The machine does have reverse. And I'm going to go to the part of the pants where all the layers come together on the side of the pants, or same as on the back here. And then finally, this is 5 layers of a marine vinyl. This is a size 14 needle and Tech 40 thread. And you can see the stitches there on the front and the back. Same thing on the blue jeans. All right, there it is.